Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In the last class we have discussed about mean, median, mode, measures of dispersion, range, mean deviation. Mean deviation for ungrouped data we have seen two formulae. Mean deviation about mean and mean deviation about median. And then two problems. Find mean deviation about mean for the data. Third problem, take this for home assignment. 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 58, 63, 46, 54, 44. Now we go for second type problems. Find mean deviation about median for the data 3, 9, 5, 3, 12, 10, 18, 4, 7, 19, 21. Mind it, median means first we have to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. If number of observation is add means there is only one middle term, that middle term is nothing but a median. If number of observation is even means there will be two middle terms, then median is nothing but a average of two middle terms. First arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. This is list value 3. Ascending order means increasing order. 3. Next to 3. Next to 4. 5. Next 6, 7. 8, 9. 10. 11. 12. 13, 14, next 18, 19, 21. Increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Number of observations in the data 11. Here check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Correct. Clearly, number of observation 11. 11 means which is odd number. Odd number means there is only one middle term. The formula, median formula, m is equal to n plus 1 by 2 with observation. Substitute here n is equal to 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2 with observation. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 by 2 means 2 6 are 6th observation. 6 is not median. 6th observation either from the beginning or ending of the data. First observation, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Sixth one is 9. This is median. Median equal to 9. M is equal to 9. Now find absolute values. The values of modulus of xi minus m are the difference of each observation and median. Here modulus means positive values here. X observation here, first observation minus, similarly second minus, median, like that, so on. First observation 3 minus median 9. 3 minus 9 minus 6. But here modulus means modulus of minus 6 plus 6. Right. Next 3. 3 minus 9 minus 6. Modulus of minus 6 plus 6. Next 4. 4 minus 9 minus 5. Positive value write directly plus 5. 5 minus 9 minus 4. Positive value 4. 7 minus 9 minus 2. Positive value 2. 9 minus 9 0. 10 minus 9 1. 12 minus 9 3. 18 minus 9 9. 19 minus 9 10. 21 minus 9 12. Formula, mean deviation about median formula 1 by n summation modulus of xi minus m from I is equal to 1 to n. 1 by n is equal to 11. Modulus values, these are modulus values. Summation means sum of these values. 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12. 1 by 11 of adding these 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 4 21 plus 2 23, 24, 27, 36, 36 plus 10 46, 46 plus 12 58, 58 by 11, 11 5s are 55, point 30 means 11 2s are 22, next 8 means 11 7s are 5.27. Mean deviation about median. First arrange the data in ascending order. Number of observation is that means median formula n plus 1 divided by 2n observation. Substitute n equal to 11, we get 6th observation. 6th observation value 9, median equal to 9. Next write absolute values. Models of xi minus mr. Each observation and median difference, right, all are positive values. Finally take formula, substitute the values 1 by n equal to 11, summation of sum of these values here 58, 58 by 11 we get 5.27. Okay. Now we go for next fifth one. One 36 72 46 42 60 45 53 46 51 49. First arranging the data in ascending or descending order. Arranging the data ascending order. Among these list value 36. Right, 36. Next possibility next value 42. Next 45. 45. Next 46. 46, 47. Again 46 repeated here. 46, 48, no 48, 49, 49, 50, 51, 53, 60, 72. You'll check now how many observations here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, number of observations here 10. 10 means clearly which is E1. E1 means there is two middle terms. Median is nothing but an average of two middle terms. We have formula median m is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 separate here, n by 2 and 1 separate terms, n by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. Substitute here n equal to 10 here, 10 by 2th observation, here n equal to 10, 10 by 2 plus 1 observation divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are, 2 ones are 2 5s, 5 plus 1 6. Fifth observation 5 plus 1 sixth observation. Fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. Either from the beginning or ending fifth observation, first observation, second observation, third one, fourth one, fifth one is here 46 here. Fifth observation 46 plus sixth observation, next one consecutive one 49 divided by 2. 46 plus 49, 95 divided by 2. 95 by 2, 47.5. Median. 47.5 median equal. Correct. Now write absolute values. The values of modulus of xi minus m are the difference of each observation and median. Here median 47.5, each observation here. First 36 minus 47.5. xi minus m, 36 minus 47.5. 11.5, positive value write, don't write negative value, positive value 11.5. Next 42 minus 47.5, 5.5, positive value I am writing. Next 45 minus 47.5, 2.5. Next 46 minus 47.5, 1.5, positive value. Next 46 minus 47.5, positive value 1.5. Next 49 minus 47.5, 48 means same again 1.5. Next 51 minus 47.5, 1 plus 2.5, 3.5. Next 53 minus 47.5 here, 5.5. Next 60 minus 47.5 is 12.5. 72 minus 47.5, 60, 70, 22, 24.5. Final formula, mean deviation about median formula 1 by n summation modulus of xi minus m from I is equal to 1 to n. Substitute here n is equal to 10. Sum of your modulus values, sum of these values 11.5 plus 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 3.5 plus 5.5 plus 12.5 plus 24.5. 1 by 10 of, here I am adding here integral part and decimal part separately. Here in this 11.5, 11 is integral part, 5 is decimal part. First I am separately adding integral parts and decimal parts. First I am adding integral parts here. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 19 plus 1, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 29 plus 12, 41. 41 plus 24. 41, 24 means 65. 64. Next decimal parts here. 0.5, 0.5, 1. 64 plus 1, 65. 65, already 65. Here 0.5, 0.5, 1 means 65 plus 1, 66. Next here 0.5, 0.5, 67. 0.5, 0.5, 1, 68. 0.5, 0.5, 69. 0.5, 0.5, 1, 70. Mean deviation about mid 7. Mind it. Number of observation E1 means there is 2 middle terms. Therefore median equal to take average of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. That is average means sum of these two divided by 2. Substitute n value here 10. We get a 5th observation plus 6th observation divided by 2. 5th observation value here 46 plus 6th observation value 49. 46 plus 49 divided by 2, 47.5. Next absolute values take. Very easy one. Got it. Now I am giving third problem for home assignment. These problems important for 3 marks. Sixth problem, home assignment. 13, 17, 16, 14, 11, 13, 10, 16, 11, 18, 12, 17. Same, find mean deviation about median. First arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Next find number of observation, add or even. Next continue remaining part. So mean deviation for ungrouped data problems completed. Now we go for mean deviation for grouped data. Next heading, mean deviation for grouped data. Mind it. What is the difference between ungrouped data and grouped data? First we have to learn these things, very important. Ungrouped data. Grouped data. In ungrouped data, there is only observations. Only observation. That is, suppose x1, x2, x3, so on, xn. This is nothing but entire part is nothing but ungrouped data. Means each observation here means appears once, or like this form, that is x1, x2, x3, xn form. That's it. Group data means this means it has observations x1, x2, x3, so on, xn, along with frequencies f1, f2, f3, so on, fn. This is nothing but a group data. These observations x1, x2, x3, so on, xn observations, their frequencies f1, f2, f3, so on, fn. These are frequencies. Observations along with frequencies is nothing but a, such a type of data is nothing but a group data. Mind it. Following, very important one here. There are two types group data. First one, discrete frequency distribution. Second one, continuous frequency distribution. First one, discrete frequency distribution. Second one, continuous frequency distribution. First one I am taking discrete frequency distribution. Discrete means here observations along with frequency is nothing but a discrete frequency distribution. Here I am taking, let the given data consists of n distinct observations occurring with frequencies n distinct observations here, taking here x1, x2, x3, so on, xn, occurring with frequencies f1, f2, f3, so on, fn. This form, that is x colon observations x1, x2, x3, xn, frequencies f1, f2, f3, fn. This is nothing but a discrete frequency distribution. This is called discrete frequency distribution. Discrete means same. Group data means it has both observations and frequencies. That is nothing but a group data. Discrete means same here. Observations along with frequencies. This is nothing but a discrete frequency distribution. Let us see how to write formula mean deviation about mean and median formula in the case of discrete frequency distribution. While watching video, make a notes on it, mind it here. Next, continue what? In discrete frequency distribution, first one I am taking formula. Mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. Formula directly I am taking here. Mean deviation short form m dot d dot mean denote x bar is equal to 1 by capital N summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar from here I is equal to 1 to small n. This is small n, this is capital N. Here capital N means here capital N is equal to summation fi I is equal to 1 to n. This is nothing but a sum of the frequencies. Sum of the frequencies. What about here mean? Mean x bar is nothing but 1 by capital N summation xi into fi from I is equal to 1 to n. This is mean. Mind it, here capital N means notch, number of observation. Capital N means sum of the frequencies here. That is summation fi. What about your mean? In discrete different, in ungrouped data that is mean different. Mean is nothing but a sum of all observations by number of observation, but here mean is equal to 1 by n. Sum of the products of the observations along with respective frequency. That is 1 by capital N summation xi into fi from I is equal to 1 to n. This is mean. Got it? Formula. Mean deviation about mean formula, it is equal to 1 by capital N summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar from I equal to 1 to n. Mind it. In ungrouped data, just here remove fi, here capital N by small n. That is nothing but a ungrouped data formula. This is grouped data formula. Mind it. 1 by capital N summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar from I equal to 1 to n. Here capital N means sum of the frequencies. Mean equal to 1 by n summation xi into fi from I is equal to 1 to n. A small n here, I equal to 1 to small n means number of observation. Got it. Now I am taking here mean deviation about median. Second B. Mean deviation about median. For mean deviation about median denote m, it is equal to 1 by capital N summation fi into modulus of xi minus m from I is equal to 1 to n. 1 by capital N summation fi into modulus of xi minus m from I equal to 1 to n. Just in first formula, replace your x bar by m, that's it. Your x bar by m, as it is, your x bar by m here. M is nothing but a median here. In median case is different. Median, not m. Median definition here. It is the observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. Median means here it is observation value whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. What about capital N means here? Capital N, sum of the frequencies. Summation Fi I equal to 1 to n. This is nothing but the sum of the frequencies. Next, what about the cumulative frequency? It is nothing but the sum of the frequencies, previous frequencies. While doing problem, you can understand how to find cumulative frequency. Time being, just to understand how to write formula, mind it. Mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n summation Fi into modulus of xi minus m from I equal to 1 to n. 1 to this is small n. Small n is number of observation. Capital N is summation Fi from I equal to 1 to n, sum of the frequencies. In this case, median different, not arranging the data, means number of observation is added like that. Direct here we have formula, direct formula. It is observation whose cumulative frequency is just greater than or equal to n by 2. Okay. Next to cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. Short form denote C dot F dot, small letters. It is nothing but that. It is defined as the sum of all previous frequencies up to that current point. Up to that current point. It is defined as the sum of all previous frequencies up to that current point. Now we go for the problems. Go for third type. Five marks problems. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the following data. Seventh problem. Xi 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Fi 2, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5. Find mean deviation about mean. This type, third type problems are 5 mark problems. Mind it, very important. First you shall construct a table. Xi observations, Fi means frequencies. Xi, Fi. Next, taking Xi into Fi, modulus of Xi minus X bar. Next, Fi into modulus of Xi minus X bar. Xi 2, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. Very easy problem. F5 2 8 10 7 8 5. So here we need this F5 total sum because I am going to find a n. N is nothing but a summation F5. I is equal to 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 we can write. Capital N is equal to summation F5 equal to 1 to 6 here. Sum of these values, mind it here. Adding these values, 2 plus 8 here 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 7 27, 27 plus 8 35, 30 plus 5 40. This is correct. Now I am going to find next here xi into fi, the product of each observation with the respective frequency xi into fi. Multiply first column and second column here. Got it. Respective elements here. First one into first one, 2 into 2 4. Next second one into second one, 5 into 8 40. Next third one into third one, 6 into 10 60. Next fourth one into fourth one, 8 into 7 56. Next fifth one into fifth one, 10 into 8 80. Next 12 into 5 60. Here we need this column sum also. After finding the sum, find mean of the data. After finding mean, find third column and fourth column values. Adding this here. Directly I am adding here. 60 plus 80 140, 140 plus 50 only 140 50 190, 190 190 60, 250 250 40, 290 296 plus 4 300. This is 300 right here. Summation, this total sum, summation xi into fi, summation xi into fi, this total sum 300. I is equal to 1 to here 6. Here we have 6 values. Okay. Now find mean. There is a space. Find your mean below this. Here I am taking a mean formula. X bar is equal to x bar is equal to 1 by n summation xi into fi. I is equal to 1 to 6 here. Here 1 by n, capital N means here 40. 300 here. Summation xi by 300. 0 0 cancels. 4 7s are 28. 0.20 means 4 5s are. This is 7.5. This is mean x bar. Mean equal to 7.5. Now write here fourth column values. Modulus of xi minus x bar. Here the difference of here observation and mean. Here mean equal to 7.5. Observation xi means first column here. Mind it, xi values. Observations. The difference of each observation and mean here. First one here 2 minus here 7.5. Here modulus means directly write positive value. Don't write negative value. Here modulus. Therefore I am taking here directly positive value. 2 minus 7.5 minus 5.5. I am taking positive value plus 5.5. Next 7.5 here minus 5 means 2.5. Next 7.5 minus 6 means clearly 1.5. 7.5 here minus 8 means here 0.5. 7.5 minus 10 here positive value means here 10 minus 7.5 2.5. Next 12 minus 7.5 4.5. Last column here frequency into modulus of xi minus x bar. Frequency second column this is. Modulus is fourth column. Multiplying respective here. Frequency into modulus here. First one here. First one into first one. 2 into 5.5. 5.5 of double means 11 here. That I am taking 11. Next 8 into 2.5. 25 4 is 100. 8 means 200. 200 means 20.0 get. That I am taking 20. 10 into 1.5 15. 7 into 0.5 3.5. 8 into 2.5 same 20. 5 into 4.5 45 2s are 90 4s are 180 180 plus 45 225 22.5. We need last column somewhere. Adding this 22 plus 20 42 plus 3 45 45 plus 15 60 plus 20 80 plus 11 91 91.5 1 92. Total this is 92. Summation you write summation this total sum summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar, this total equal to 92 from I is equal to 1 to here 6 values. Final formula very easy one. Formula mean deviation. Next step, my mean deviation about mean x bar is equal to 1 by n summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar from I is equal to 1 to 6, or you can write small n, the problem. Here 1 by capital N equal to how much? Capital N equal to 40. Next this is 92. Summation value this. 92 by 40. 42 is 80. 80. Point here. 12 here. Okay. 120 means 43 is 2.3. Okay. Mean deviation about mean 2.3. Very easy one, mind it. First construct a table. First column xi, third column fi, second column, third column xi into fi, fourth column modulus of xi minus x bar, fifth column fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. Correct here. Xi right, fi values right frequency. Xi into fi means multiplying their respective elements here values. First one into first one, 2 into 2 4, 5 into 8 40, 6 into 10 60, similarly 8 into 7 56, 10 into 8 80, 12 into 5 60. Adding this second column, third column sum here needed. Second column sum 40. Here fi frequency means sum of the frequency equal to 40. This is nothing but a n, denoting n. And adding this get to sum here 300. This is summation of xi into fi. This is 300. After finding these two sums, find mean of the data. What about mean? Mean equal to 1 by n summation xi into fi from I equal to 1 to 6 here. 1 by n equal to 40. Summation xi into fi 300. 300 by 40. 0 0 cancel. 4 7 is 28.2 means 4 5 is 7.5 mean. Correct. Now find fourth column here. Difference of each observation and mean. Observation first column here. Mean equal to 7.5. 2 minus 7.5 positive value right. 5 minus 7.5 right, positive value 2.5. Next 6 minus 7.5 positive value. 8 minus 7.5 positive value. 10 minus 7.5 positive value. 12 minus 7.5 4.5. Last column here frequency into modulus here. Frequency second column, modulus fourth column, multiplying second and fourth column here. Values, respective values, first one into first one, second one into second one here. Right. Third one into third one, fourth one into fourth one, fifth one into fifth one, sixth one into sixth one. Got it. Adding these values you get 92. This is summation form. Summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar equal to 92. Here I equal to 1 to 6. Final formula mean deviation about mean 1 by n summation fi into modulus of xi minus x bar. 1 by n equal to 40. This sum value, summation value 92. 92 by 40, 2.3. Got it. Practice this problem. Very important for final. Thanks.